All right, you guys, Betsy here again. And today we're going to write equations for lines again. This time you're given the slope and you're given a point. Remember, to write the equation of a line using slope-intercept form, we need m and we need b. Well, we've got a good start because we're given m. So I'm going to start by putting m in the equation. Y equals mx plus b. Now, if the x value of your ordered pair is 0, the other number, the y, represents b. So in this case, we don't have a lot of work to do. Y equals negative 4x plus 1. And that's our equation. So when, ding, 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 whenever the x value is 0 in your ordered pair, the y value is your y-intercept. Let's take a look at the next one. We have y equals 1/2, or m equals 1/2, and the coordinate plane is negative 2, 5. So m equals 1/2. So let's start to write our equation. Y equals 1/2 x plus b. And we're given a point. We're given an x and a y. So let's take that x and y and put it in for x and y in our equation. Just find another color here. So y is 5. X is negative 2. And again, I got a fraction there, so I'm going to make that a fraction. Are we okay there? So I'm using the point negative 2, 5. So now, these will reduce down to 1s. So 1 times negative 1 is just negative 1 plus b. I'm solving for b, so I got to move that negative 1 to the other side. Let's neutralize it here by making this 0. So b equals 6. So again, I want to get b by itself. So if I got a negative 1, the only way to get rid of the negative 1 is to add 1. And that's what we did. So b is 6. So we can write our equation. Y equals mx plus b. And there you go. How are we doing, everyone? So just as a refresher, you need the slope and you need the y-intercept in order to use slope-intercept form to write the equation of a line. So the equation of this line, to find it, you need the slope and the y-intercept. And remember, in your ordered pair, if the x is 0, the other number is your y-intercept. If it's not, then we got to go find it. We got to go to the equation. We got to find it. So let's take a look at the last problem here. I'm going to make some room here. Okay, in the next problem, we are given the slope. And what's the slope? Negative 2/3. So we're going to write m equals negative 2/3. So right away, write the equation with m in there. Y equals mx plus b. And remember, this is y equals negative 2/3 times x. We're timesing there. There's no sign between the negative 2/3 and the x. So we got to remember that that means multiplying. Now go look at your order pair. Is the x 0? No. So 1 is not our y-intercept. So we got to go find it. So I need to take this negative 3, 1, and put it in for x and y. Remember, the first number is x, the second number is y. So y is 1 equals negative 2/3 times x, which is negative 3. Since that's negative 2/3 is a fraction, I'll make this a fraction, plus b. Now I'm going to change the color here. Let's take our time. So here, 3 and 3 reduce down to 1s. So I get 1 equals negative 2 times negative 1 is 2 plus b. And we're solving for b, so I need to get rid of that positive 2. And how do I do that? I subtract it. So b equals 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So now that I have m and I have b, I can write my equation. Y equals mx x plus b. And again, it's -1, so I just write -1, which is the same as plus a -1. And there you have it. How are we doing, everyone? Things to remember here. You need m and b to use slope-intercept form. If you don't have them, you got to go find them. If your ordered pair, the x value is 0, the y value is your b-intercept, or y-intercept, excuse me, like this. X is 0, so y is your b, your y-intercept. All right? Have an awesome day. Thank you for listening.